Hi, I am Shadrin Baskunder. Today I am going to perform a practice to import the code of autopilot in WSL, and after that I am going to install all the required extensions. As you can see, when I connected WSL, VS Code some doing installation on WSL. After that, the code of autopilot is opened. Automatically open that code which was the last time closed. As you remember, I just cloned the autopilot. VS Code detects the code and automatically start installation of related extensions. As you can see, our major target is autopilot development environment setup. It is very useful for the compiling specific firmware. I just click on install and related to all extensions I click on install. All extensions can specifically help me in coding related to autopilot. As you can see, the Python extension C, C++, and other GitHub and syntax type GitLang, and also the syntax spell checker. All of the extensions perform some specific support and help on framework related to autopilot code compilation. All extensions perform a separate task related to code compilation, code syntax, code computation, and the integrity of data, etc. Make sure you have a high-speed internet. If you are opting the autopilot code, you must have to install the framework of compilation using shell script if you are in Linux and the PowerShell script if you are using Windows operating system. Wait for the installation of all extensions. After that, we are going to compile this code using autopilot extension for the developers. It was by Autopilot, so it is very reliable to execute and compile the firmware of Autopilot. All extension has been installed and I am going to compile the code using Autopilot extension for the developers. Now for that purpose you have to connect WSL. After connecting WSL you have to install all the extensions. Then click on a terminal, then click on run task. A little console open and select autopilot. Now you can select any type of building firmware command from the extension of autopilot. I am going to perform simulation building firmware, so you can see there are a lot of options available. I want to build autoplane simulation, so I am going to search the command and you can see just I type CTL and I found the command. As you can see, after selecting the command, automatically the firmware started to build. When you have already built once autopilot firmware, it's not take longer time and only commit the changes that you made in the firmware. Thank you very much.